Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I have some exciting news. I just couldn't help myself. I'm going to put together a plant stand with grow lights so I can grow plants from seeds. And I have a guide right here to help me out. So just stay tuned and we'll assemble it together. All right, I thought it was filming, but I caught it. So the only thing I've done was put the wheels on the pole, and I'll reread the instructions. It just says screw the casters or the wheels onto these poles, and now I'm about to put these plastic caps on there, so when you slide this down it kind of stops it, because these poles have ridges. And they wanted to make sure that the arrow and the plastic clips are pointed up. I think what I said in the video too, that's you'll figure out, but this wheel spins, so it's easier to hold the wheel up here, this piece, and twist the pole onto the wheel. It's a lot easier to control. Top there, top here, and it snapped. All right. So now we're on to numero 2. Please make sure that you have the wire shelf the correct way up. Hold the wire shelf on its side and slide the top of 4 poles to the bottom of the wire shelf as its corners until they're snug fit. And then set the wire shelf up right.
What is it you want from me? Do you even know? Do you love me actually? Or fear being alone? If you want Haas and Carrot.
There we go. Maybe this will work. Got it. Sometimes you just have to use little elbow grates. See, that kind of secures it a little bit better. All right. Now, snap plastic. So we're going to do the same thing. Into the pole grooves on the lower poles of your desired shelf height position. Slide on the shelf from the top. All right, we're getting there, y'all. Screw the upper poles right here. So it's time to do that until the lower. All right. Now, at last, put the PVD mat on every shelf. It's cool. It comes with 4 mats, which is really nice. coming together, y'all. So what I'm doing here, these are the really nice lights. It comes with these reflectors, and you can see there's like a ridge right here, and so this just slides into this little pocket like that. And it holds on. That way it's like more direct light shining down on the plants. It comes with 12 of these, like, they snap on to, ooh, like bright. They snap onto the light on top, and then it comes with a chain that will hang down. Okay, so I think I'm going to go get... Alright, I'm back. So these chains, they are extremely long. I'm not sure what they were thinking, and I tried to like maneuver in a way that it would kind of like fix itself. It's just not going to. So I suggest getting some needle nose pliers, because I am going to take some of these links out that way, because if I hung the light on there, it's as long as the shelf. So yeah, I'm probably going to take most of this out. Probably leave three of these links, and then I think it'll be perfect height. Maybe even two, because I have to, yeah, I think I'm going to actually take two of these, because this thing's pretty big too. Okay, if you can't tell, I'm a little OCD. Okay, so I'm going to continue putting this together and then I will show you the finished result. Hey y'all, welcome back. So it's been a couple hours. I decided I was going to put it in my garage, but I think I'm going to put it in my studio. So here it is, y'all. Alexa, turn on grow light. Ta-da! Isn't it beautiful? Look at it. We already have one plant down here. It's my little shrimp plant. And I cannot wait to start my seeds. I'm very happy with it. We have like a little cactus up here, a little spray bottle already, but I'm very, very happy with it. It sure does put out a lot of light. Well, if I can put this together, I know you can too. If you liked this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.